Hi everyone. I am here today to show you how to install, activate, and use our mileage blocker device on a Chrysler 300 car. Let's get started. There are 4 different modes available. The modes are activated one after the other. Every time when you want to move to the next mode, just pull the high beam lever 4 times. You will see the turn signals and hear sound signals each time when the device switches between modes. Now, let's give it a try. Pull the high beam lever 4 times to enter mode 1. You will hear a sound signal 1 time. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive, so the actual mileage is counted at 100%. To move to mode 2, pull the high beam lever 4 times again. You will hear a sound signal 2 times. In mode 2, only 50% of the actual mileage is counted. To switch to mode 3, just pull the high beam lever 4 times. You will hear a sound signal 3 times. Now, in mode 3, 10% of the actual mileage is counted. And finally, for mode 4, pull the high beam lever 4 times again. You will hear a sound signal 4 times. In mode 4, only 2% of the actual mileage is counted. You're ready to use our device on your Chrysler 300. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.